Feeling stuck for fresh content? You don't need to start from scratch. Here is a quick strategy you can use to maximize your existing content. That is repurposing. Let's take YouTube as your main channel. Create a YouTube video. It will be your main content. Brainstorm a topic you are passionate about and create a detailed video on it. And repurpose your YouTube video into blog post. Make amendments in it, add bullet points and some other details, and post it on your blog post. It will increase your reach and attract new viewers to your YouTube channel. After that, take your blog post and convert it into a LinkedIn article. Showcase your expertise and establish yourself as a thought leader in your field. Extract engaging shots from your YouTube video for the other platforms like YouTube Shorts, LinkedIn, TikTok, and Facebook. It will increase your reach also. In addition, use eye-catching editing styles that are trending now and add subtitles for the viewers who watch without the sound. Also create carousels and infographics based on your video title or topic. This will visually summarize the key points of your video, increase the engagement and reach. By repurposing your content, you extend its life and reach wider audience across different platforms. This strategy saves time, maximize your effort and help you to build a strong presence online.